Next problem in same 3.4 exercise. Next third problem. If A matrix is equal to 1 3 2 7, find inverse of this matrix A. Here I choose row wise operation. So wise take condition A is equal to I into A. A matrix is equal to identity matrix into A. Here also same condition. What you are getting A matrix, this can be converted into identity matrix. Like that, take here operations. That is, here I need to choose this one, I need to make this one 0. So wise I choose this condition R2 tending to R2 minus 2R1. So wise I choose your second row operation. First row write as it is. In R2 minus 2R1, first multiplication of 2 in R1, then take R2 minus 2R1. That is multiplication of 2 here, 2 minus 2, 0. Multiplication of 2 here, 2 into 3 as 6, 7 minus 6, 1 is equal to first row write as it is. Multiplication of 2 here, 0 minus 2, minus 2. Multiplication of 2, 0 into 2 is 0, 1 minus 0 as 1 only into A. I choose here. Next one here I need to take here 0. This one I make 0. So wise I choose this condition. R1 tending to R1 minus 3R2. Multiplication here 3 in R2. Then you are getting this one as 0. So wise I make here operation R1. So wise R1 minus 3R2. Multiplication of R2 as 3. 3 into 0, 0 only. R minus 1 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 as 1 only. Write 1 as it is. Again multiplication of 3 here. 3 minus 3, 0. Second row write as it is. Here operation is first row. So wise 3 into 2 as minus into minus plus 3 into 2, 6. Multiply here 3 minus into minus plus. Next here 3 into 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Here multiplication of 2 minus 2, that is multiplication of minus 3 here, 0 into minus 3 as minus 3. And the second row write as it is into I. Next you see here in LHS we are getting identity matrix. I is equal to, this is your A inverse into A. This is the A as, this is your A inverse. Next A inverse is equal to, in the place of A inverse, 7 minus 3 minus 2, 1. This is your A inverse matrix. Here we need to find A inverse value. Next problem. Here also we need to find A inverse. A is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2. We need to find inverse of this matrix. Here in last 3 problems I change your row wise. In this problem I choose column wise operations. So wise in column wise operation take here condition A is equal to A into I. In case of row wise we are choosing I into A. In case of column wise choose A into I. That is A matrix is equal to A write as it is. Identity matrix right here. And here we need to interchange here column wise. So wise I choose here first column. C1 means first column tending to first column plus 2 into second column. That means see here first column plus 2 into second column. Multiplication of 2 in second column. That is 3 multiplication of 2 means 1 minus 1 into 2 minus 2. 3 minus 2 as 1. In the same way column here multiplication of 2. If your multiplication here 2, 2 into 2, 4. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. Second column write as it is. This is your column wise. We are taking column wise. Is equal to A write as it is. Next here C1 plus 2C2. Here C2 as 0. 1 plus 0, 1. And here 0 plus multiplication of 2. 0 plus 2, 2. Second column write as it is. Next I take C2 second column tending to C2 plus C1. Here I choose this one, I make this one 0. So wise I choose this condition C2 plus C1. So wise here take, this is your second column operation. First column write as it is. Next second column C2 plus C1, that is C2 plus C1, minus 1 plus 1 0, 2 plus 0 2 is equal to A into first column, right, as it is 1 plus 0 1, 2 plus 2 2 plus 1 3. This is your next operation. Next, see here already we get 1 0 0, here we need to get 1. So wise take here in second column, second column multiplication of 1 by 2, second column multiplication of 1 by 2. Why? Because here we need to get 1. So wise multiplication in second column multiplication of 1 by 2 means first column, right, as it is 0 into 1 by 2 as 0 only. Here 2 into 1 by 2 as 2 to cancel, you are getting 1. A into is equal to A into first column, right, as it is. Here multiplication of second column 1 by 2, 1 into 1 by 2 1 by 2, 3 into 1 by 2 3 by 2. Till in LHS we need to get A matrix as identity matrix. Like that we need to take this operation. So why is A inverse is equal to what you are getting this in RHS answer, that is your A inverse answer. That is the value of A inverse. Next problem. A is equal to 6 minus 3 minus 2 1. Here also find inverse of this A matrix. Here I choose row wise column. So wise take A is equal to I into A. A matrix is equal to identity matrix into A, right, as it is. Here first operation R1 is equal to 1 by 6 into 1. Say 1 by 6 into R1. Here in first row here I get 1. So wise I choose this condition 1 by 6 into R1. So wise in first row multiplication of 1 by 6. 6 into 6 into 6 is 1 minus 3 divided by 6, that is 3 ones are 3 twos are. We are getting minus 1 by 2. Second row, right, as it is equal to first row multiplication of 1 by 6. 1 into 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 0, right, as it is. Second row, right, as it is. Next operation R2 tending to R2 plus 2R1, that is R2 plus 2R1, R2 plus 2R1. In first row we need to multiplication of 2 here. If our multiplication of 2 here, we need to get 1 minus 1 by 2, 0, 0 is equal to 1 by 6, 0, 1 by 3, 1 into A. Observe carefully here. In LHS we need to get identity matrix, but in this problem see here in second row all elements we are getting here 0, 0, but in LHS we need to get identity matrix. So why is here not exist? In the above equation we can see all zeros in the second row of the matrix on LHS. Therefore A inverse does not exist. Why A inverse does not exist means in LHS we are not getting identity matrix. Why? Because in second row we are getting already 0, 0. Here we need to get 1, but we are getting 0. So why we can't interchange this one 0 as 1. So why here A inverse does not exist. Next problem. Here also A inverse does not exist. See, A is equal to 2 1 4 2. Here I choose row wise column. A is equal to I into A. A is equal to I into A. Here I choose operation R1 is equal to R1 minus 1 by 2 into R2. In R2 multiplication of 1 by 2, then take R1 minus R2. That is multiplication of 1 by 2 here, multiplication of 1 by 2, then you are getting. Next see here multiplication of 1 by 2 here, 4 divided by 2 we are getting 2 2s are here, 2 minus 2 0. Here also multiplication of 1 by 2. Here if your multiplication second row as 1 by 2, 2 2 cancel, you are getting 1 here, 1 minus 1 here also 0. In second row, right, as it is. Here is equal to, here multiplication of 1 by 2 as R2 here 0 is 1, right, as it is. If your multiplication here 1 by 2, 0 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Second row, right, as it is. Here also observe carefully. In LHS, here also, here we need to get 1, but this condition we are getting here 0. Here also A inverse does not exist. Why? Because here we need to get 1. So why? See here. Now the above equation we can see all the zeros in the first row of the matrix on LHS. A inverse does not exist. See here, in first row we are getting all zeros. So why is A inverse here also does not exist. Next one, 17th next question. A is equal to 20 minus 1, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3. This is your 3 cross 3 matrix. Already we have seen many problems in 2 cross 2 matrix. How to find the A inverse of 2 cross 2 matrix. Now let us see 3 cross 3 matrix. Here also we need to find A inverse. Same rules. That is, A is equal to I into A. In the place of A, substitute A matrix is equal to, here 3 cross 3 matrix, identity matrix also choose 3 cross 3 matrix into A. Here also this A matrix can be converted into identity matrix. Like that we can take operations. So wise, first here I need to get 1 here. So wise I choose this operation. That is R1 tending to 1 by 2 into R1. So wise, multiplication of 1 by 2 in row 1. If your multiplication here 1 by 2, 2 cancel 1. 0 into 1 by 2 as 0. Here multiplication of 1 by 2. 1 divided by 1 into 1 by 2 as minus 1 by 2. Here I need to change here only row 1. That is first row, second row, third row, right, as it is equal to, here also multiplication of 1 by 2 in first row. 1 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0. Second row, third row, right, as it is. Next here, I need to get here 1. That is finish. Next step. Next, I make this one as 0. So, wise choose this condition. That is R2 tending to R2 minus 5 R1. Multiplication of R1 in 5. That is first here I choose condition in second row. First row, right, as it is. Multiplication of 5. 5 into here 5 into 1 as 5. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 into 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. Here multiplication of minus 1 by 2 into 5. That is 5 by 2. Next, third row, right, as it is. Here also first row, right, as it is. We need to take operation on second row. Multiplication of 5 as first row. That is multiplication of 5 as first row. 5 into 1 by 2 as, that is minus 5. 1 by 2 into minus 5 as minus 5 by 2. 1 into 0 into 5 as 0 only. That is 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. Third row, right, as it is. Next operation, see here 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Here I need to get here 0, here 0. Then I need to get here 1. So wise, here I make some conditions. Here I need to get 1. This can be converted into 1. So wise I choose this condition. R3 tending to R3 minus R2. That is here operation in third row. First row, second row. First row, second row, right, as it is. Choose operation in third row. That is R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 5 by 2, 1. Next, first row, second row, right, as it is. Next, R3 minus R2. That is 3 minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2. Next operation on third row. First row, second row, right, as it is. R3 minus R2. 0 minus into minus plus 0 plus 5 by 2 as 5 by 2. Next, take in RHS. Take here R3 minus R2. That is 0 minus into minus plus 5 by 2. 0 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1 into a. Next here we need to get here 1. So wise I take condition here, that is R3 tending to 2R3. So wise in third row I choose condition 2 into R3. In third row multiplication of 2. We are getting here 1, 0, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1, 5 by 2. First row, second row, write as it is. 0, 0, multiplication of third row as 2 is here 1 by 2. Multiplication of 2 is 2 to cancel. Here we are getting 1. So guys, in the same way in RHS also, first row, third row, write as it is. In third row, multiplication of 2, we are getting 5 minus 2, 2 into a. So guys, in LHS we need to get identity matrix. So guys, we need to change these two values. So guys, I take condition in row 1, that is R1 is equal to R1 plus 1 by 2 into R3, and in second row, that is R2 is equal to R2 minus 5 by 2 into R3. Multiplication of row 3 in 5 by 2, 1 by 2 in R3, that is third row. That is 1, 0, here 1, that is 1 plus 0 into 1 by 2 as 0 only here. Next 0